Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram unable to load image. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is to check if our Instagram is up to date. So to do that, let's visit our app store, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for Instagram right here for it to load and click on Instagram. Now on my side it says open. However, if it shows an update button on your side, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button so that you will be updating to the latest version of the app and hopefully fix this issue. If that still does not work, let's go to our settings app right here. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and you should see a list of your apps in alphabetical order. So just click on Instagram right here. And make sure that you have given access to your photos or your camera roll. So click on that and make sure you have chosen all photos from here. So that should work. However, if that still does not work, let's go back to our settings, scroll up and click on general right here. Click on iPhone storage and let's wait for this to load, and this should show a list of our apps again. Let's click on Instagram. And let's click on upload app. So uploading the app will basically clear the cache that it has been used. So click on upload app right here. And once it has been uploaded, just reinstall the app. And then just reopen your Instagram app right here, assuming that I am now done uploading my app. And create a certain post and check if your image is now loading and ready to post. So for example, your images should now be loaded and you should be able to post it already on Instagram. So that is how you can basically fix Instagram unable to load image. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.